So you might be finding that you might set out to do nice, clean, clear wheel planes, and the poi kind of maybe drift in towards each other, out away from each other, in together at the top or at the bottom, and that's normal. And there's some things you can do to work on that. One of the big ones is really looking and playing with what you're actually doing with your hand to circle the poi. And for this, it's really helpful, like a lot of things, where you can actually play with a wall. So you're going to need two things. You're going to need some kind of wall, and you're going to need a stick, a little stick, but not just any little stick. You need a really special stick. But you get to decide that it's special. So I've decided that this is a special stick. And you can find a stick and decide that it's a special stick. And what you're going to do is you're going to come up to a wall, and I want you to just take the stick, and then you can pretend it's a marker, and make some circles, right? And you'll notice you need to make a big circular scooping motion. Scoop, scoop, scoop. And maybe that's going to be awkward at first, and do it enough till your hand, and all the like neural motor feedback stuff that happens to be like, oh, circles. Okay. And so this is scooping. Then you can go backwards, it's scooping backwards, scooping backward. You go each way. Each hand, take the left hand, you can make circles forwards. Oh, and this is more awkward. Circles backwards. Won't be perfect. Our body's actually not designed to make perfect circles. We're sort of taking apparatus that was originally evolved to do other stuff and using it to make circles. But you start recruiting a lot more of your fingers and wrist and hand. And then when you go with the poi, try to make the same scooping motions. Can you see how I'm really, like if that was the tip of a marker, I'd be drawing a circle on the wall. So, and what if I watch a lot of people when they're learning, they're actually just kind of going like up and down or something. And you won't have a lot of control on the poi with up and down. Now up and down can be great because up and down is what lets you do this. We'll talk about that later. So it's all about having choice and recruiting, at will, a lot of your body and motor skills to do stuff. So forwards and backwards, and the wall will give you a lot of feedback. Really pretend you're drawing a circle and learn. Now I can do this where I've got both poi going, only one's against the wall, but I look at that right hand and I'm drawing a circle. Go forwards, I'm still drawing a circle. And the sooner you do that, the sooner you'll have a lot of control over the tilt. I can draw circles in front of me, draw circles to the side, I can draw a circle on the ceiling above me, right? And that's where all the control comes from. So, takes playing with it a little bit, but really if you actually give yourself where you've got a bit of visceral feedback, it comes really quickly. So I hope that works. I hope you find a special stick. You could use a marker or a crayon, fountain pen, but that, will leave marks.